How affordable are these programs?
In terms of the work integrated learning that we offer,
Why do you think our Sri Lankan students have to join this university?
Top 100 in the world according to some of the rankings.
every year students get about $3,000.
How is it like the student arrival plan?
Requirements are pretty much higher.
So the cost versus opportunities, Sydney is always better.
Hello everyone and a warm welcome to all of you for another session of Expert Tea Talk. As always, we are bringing you all the details that you need to make your study abroad dreams come true. And with us here are two special personalities, the Senior Manager Namrata Anand and Recruiter Manager South Asia, Roshan for Western Sydney University, here with us to help you out. Alright, welcome to the show. We are very happy to have you here and thank you for joining with us today. Alright, so Namrata, I would like to ask you, could you just give us a brief about the university? So you are representing Western Sydney University. So why don't you just tell a bit about this university?
Western Sydney started as a female orphan school in 1813. So we still have a 200 plus years old history behind us. We became a university in 1989. So we celebrated our 30th year in 2000 Roshan?
2019 is when we
2019,
celebrated
yes.
our 30-year celebration.
And that's the period when we rebranded ourselves. So we transformed into Western Sydney University from University of Western Sydney. So that was a clear change from the colors, the logos, everything changed completely for the university. We've got 11 campuses and soon we'll be on our 12th campus and 13th gradually next year. So we've been growing as a university. We've got about 30 different schools. We teach almost all the programs starting from foundation options, diplomas, bachelors,
Yes, that
masters,
sounds amazing.
research, PhDs, postdoctoral research. So we've got plenty of options for students who would want to come and study at Western. Western Sydney region itself is one of the fastest growing economy. So that also contributes a lot towards the work we've done in the industry with our industry partners and with the Australian government as well. So that obviously makes a mark for the Western Sydney University. We are very proud of the fact that we were recently ranked as 235 according to the Times Higher Education rankings.
That's
So that
amazing.
itself is like a big achievement for the university. We've got about 49,000 plus students studying with us, which again is I think a very good achievement for the university.
Yes.
We've got about 3,500 staff who had made that possible, like again along with our students and our partners that we've been working with. So it's been a great journey throughout.
Thank you so much for giving such a detailed profile of the university. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that will be like one of the topics which our Sri Lankan students would want to consider. So why do you think our Sri Lankan students have to join this university?
Because Western Sydney University is one of the popular universities, especially with Sri Lankan students. Because we got a very good combination of affordability, ranking and industrial partnerships. So Sri Lankan students, a lot of them are doing very well in terms of the work integrated learning that we offer. So when I mean work integrated learning, I'm talking about internships and
Yes.
when they do well in the internships, there are good opportunities for them. And so as I said, rankings, right? So Namrata was also covering about the ranking. We are top 2% as per Times Higher Education. And we in fact are 34th as per the Young Universities rankings. So we were mentioning about 2019, we celebrated 50 years, right? So we are on the 34th rank. In fact, we are growing extensively with our ranking. And when I say affordability, yes, there are a lot of scholarship options available, and we are one of the most affordable universities in Sydney. So Sri Lankans love Sydney, and we are based out of west of Sydney.
Alright, so just like you said, Sri Lankans love Sydney and they love to go to Australia. So what are the popular programs that you would recommend for our Sri Lankan students to join in Western Sydney University?
Yeah, as I mentioned, we've got about 13 different schools, 13 different faculties, and we've got an option for each and every student who would want to come and study at Western. The most popular programs that we've had, and the students coming in from Sri Lanka, they would normally choose Doctor of Medicine, for example. That's their favorite program.
Yes,
Obviously, the requirements are pretty much higher than the usual undergraduate programs, and the tuition fee is also on a higher side. Then we've got the science programs, so medical science, bachelors of science, so with different kinds of specializations like biomedical, and then we've got forensics, agriculture, food sciences. So plenty of options under that as well. We've got bachelors of nursing. Again, we are very highly ranked for nursing programs. We are top 100 in the world according to some of the rankings.
Yes.
So that itself creates a different impression for our nursing programs. And that's also the largest program that we have in terms of student cohorts. Then we've got the regular ones like Bachelor of Engineering, Masters of Engineering, and the management programs. So complete suite of options for students who would want to come, but these are some of the popular ones.
Definitely.
That Ashula Kasoor would choose.
Yes, it leaves with a lot of options for our students to choose from. All right, so you were saying that Western Sydney University offers affordable programs. So how affordable are these programs?
Yeah, so when I say affordable, I'd like to highlight the scholarships that we are offering. So we've got 3 different scholarships on offer. So we've got the $3,000 multi-year scholarship. Again, when I mean multi-year, every year students get about $3,000 and $6,000, and we also offer the top of the line Vice Chancellor scholarship also. And something to highlight here, the $3,000 scholarship is available for every single student who commence their undergraduate programs. And if they do well, they get $6,000, and if they do better, they get 50% scholarship also. So affordability has always been there, and scholarships are all on offer. So we do not need any separate applications to be filled. On average, our programs cost about $30,000 in a year, $30,000 AUD per year. So yes, for Sydney. The usual perception about Sydney is that Sydney is on the expensive side when it comes to accommodation. So, in fact, if a student chooses our own accommodation, the on-campus accommodation, the range starts with $180 a week. So, it's definitely affordable. And for Sydney, of course, Sydney is popular for postgraduate opportunities, and while they study also they'll get good part-time opportunities.
Yes.
So the cost versus opportunities, Sydney is always better.
Yes, that's great. All right, so generally speaking about Australia and Sydney, so what is the international student arrival plan like, especially with this current situation the students are facing? How is it like, the student arrival plan? Namrata?
Yeah, sure. So recently the New South Wales government made an announcement that there's going to be a pilot project running in for international students. So that's almost done for the first round. So we are expecting students to arrive in the first week of December from at least China and Southeast Asia, and the second week we'll cover South Asia. So that's what has been proposed by the New South Wales government. We've actually sent the expression of interest to almost all our students, and then they'll be shortlisted according to their programs, and there are certain criteria that would be followed by each university. So those details will be shared soon with our partners and our students to ensure that they are aware about the process. The university is going to take care of the quarantine arrangements. The students just have to manage their flights. So it's going to be a pretty easy process managed together with our partners. The idea is to make sure that the students arrive safely.
Yes.
When they are in Sydney, they are looked after.
Yes.
That's there. And plus, we are ensuring that gradually and slowly we'll start taking in new students as well once the pilot projects are successful. So we'll keep everyone informed, and we are going to work very closely with the Australian government on those projects.
Yes, indeed. All right, so adding to Namrata's point, is there any piece of advice that you would like to give to our potential students planning to travel to this university and Australia in general?
Certainly, yeah. So, we do have 3 intakes in a year. So, we do have an intake commencing in November soon, and we have 3 more intakes coming up next year. And of course, we have for postgraduate business, we have 4 intakes in a year. So, as we move on, of course, expert education is always there to help students apply and do other value-added services for them. So, the next intake is March, hopefully. So, students can commence online So they do have a lot of options. They can go for reduced study load if they think that online is it's a bit too much for them. They can go for a reduced study load. Commence in the month of March, and adding to the international student arrivals plan. If everything goes well, we are looking at, hopefully, fingers crossed,
Yes.
an open border by the middle of next year, hopefully. And so they start with a reduced study load, hopefully in the month of March, and they can carry on with their full-time studies as the year progresses in 2022. So again, I'd like to thank Expert Education. So the students can contact Expert Education. So the applications are open, and we do not have any application fees. Students can contact Expert Education and carry on with their journey of study abroad.
All right, so I guess that's the end of our session. So thank you so much, Roshan and Namrata, for joining with us today. And just like everyone said, if you have any doubts and questions, you have Expert Education to help you out. So with that, we are going to wrap up our session. So until next time, stay safe.
Western Sydney University, the official agent for Sri Lanka. Expert Education and Visa Services, your trusted education partner.